You were literally just chatty and now you're gone quiet. Oops, I think of that. Might as well get into it. Alright. Good evening, everyone. It is Friday. Friday has snuck up on me for some strange reason. Don't know how or why. It just did. And I'm like, holy hell, it's here already. Maybe because I've been playing a game which I really like. Just that every single time not working. Oh, you can see it. You can see it. Oh, there it is. Alright. There was a fluff ball. Okay, we have lots of those at the moment. I like to call them bisons from like Avatar. So what about my previous cat, FT Amber, who sadly, I don't know why I've got that on me, who sadly has passed away. She used to have massive ones that used to just float around the house. So, yeah. Anyway, today we've got Webpack 5 installed. We've got VueJS 3 up and running and installed and stuff like that. Now we've just got to re-implement it and actually optimize it as best as possible at this moment. So that way, when things load on the dashboard, for example, when things like load on the dashboard, it only will load those particular components that the user wants loaded and nothing extra. So we are currently implementing that. And then from there, what we do is we'll go down several levels and make sure that other components that haven't loaded are loaded at the proper component level. Instead of having how we used to have it where it was all in the components file. Okay, once again, Socks is wanting to sit in the most annoying position possible. Like, I have to... She's like, yeah, crushed alive. So, no, I think she just told me off. So let's get straight into it. I've had a bit of a nap, so I'm a little bit awake. Oh, cam out of sync, is that still true? And thank you, Thomas, for the host. Let's just get straight into it. Why am I going on another break? Why do I see ad breaks? It's really weird. Okay, cool. Alright, let's open up our local host. So, the other day we were testing all this new stuff. Excuse me, sorry. So if we go into network, let's go throttling. Good 2G, let's do a reload. So once most of this loads, we should see that more content starts loading the instant the NearBeach min is fully loaded. And you'll see that there's that little thing saying, oh, this hasn't happened yet and stuff like that. So we're gonna have to implement some of that soon. So I'll, no throttling, but that will be done on a different day. That's a big task. I want to make sure that everything's working first. I'm just going to turn down the music on my headset. So we've got the dashboard components up and running in there. Now, in theory, we actually go to the network tab. Ooh, we are seeing four little minimum stuff being imported. So let's have a look at what they are. Don't know how we can... Don't know where we can find the name on these. So I'm just going to copy URL and paste it in here. Copied the wrong URL. Copy URL. Alright. Socks, your tail's in the way, sweetie. Oh, really? She's a bit chatty at the moment. She's like, I want to tell everyone off. You get told off. You get told off. Everyone gets told off. Actually, let's create a user with very little admin rights. Oh, we haven't actually done the login for this yet. Okay. Nor have we done anything else. Alright. So, we are going to have to fix that. I think there's a particular user who could get those 4. So that is a potential. But that is something we've got to actually fix up if that is not the case. Because I don't want it to actually load up all these components that are not needed. And under the dashboard, if the user doesn't have certain permissions, certain things shouldn't appear. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4th one should not be appearing. So I am this is just me doing stuff. So dashboard, actually, yeah, dashboard users with no groups. Dashboard RFC approvals. I'm just going to move chat up. Dashboard, my objects. So we'll be doing a suspense sort of thing later on, but for the moment, we won't fuss about it. Dashboard unassigned objects. Cool. So later down the track, I want the dashboard to be completely customizable. The idea is that certain users will need certain different widgets, and they definitely don't need to see certain other widgets. So usually like a person who's just a developer who has someone above them, either project manager, the producer and the manager, would not need to see any of those sort of details of other team members and stuff like that. So the idea is they'll be funneled down to have just the information they need. All right, let's open up the main. This is the app. It's just a VF. I think it just got rid of my comments. Not a problem. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. Hey, quiet phone. Alright. Let's start fixing this all up. So one thing I do want to actually implement is there a nicer way to do this? How many characters across is that? Just under 120. Hey, sweetie. I don't want this one particular file to be just filled up with stuff where I can easily put this into a secondary file and just import it, which is what I am going to do. So straight off the bat, I am going to close all this. Close this. Sweetie, you're actually on my mouse. Alright. So in here, we've got app.js. We won't have... We'll have components.js. And we'll have a simple export default. Oh, this might not work. That's right, give me 2 seconds. Sucks. Oops, sweetie. Sweetie, come here. Come here. Whoa. Come here. I'm trying to get you cuddles. Forced. Alright. And good morning, Devoid. How are you today? Import JS file into JS. I'm just thinking if this is a simple import statement again. Oh, there's it. Ah, wait a minute. Right, these should then become objects. Gonna have to import that, that's perfectly fine. Dying had to post the guest day and feel rough today. Damn, it's not fun to hear. But other than that, that's good. I can't complain. It's Friday. I'm just implementing this so that way it will be a lot nicer to read my code. To point that out. So yeah. And hello, that noob. Why not name exports and then it'll just work? Why not named exports? Don't think I've actually tried that before. I haven't actually tried that. Alright. I'm just trying to think how I would want to... Screw it. Let's try it. Oh. Socks. Fucking deleting my work. Decides to, you know, just crash on my keyboard then. And then it would just be a comma there. This is really convenient. Thank you, that noob. Alright. No export cons, no need for let. Alright, cool. And then I just gotta neaten this all up. Like so. I need to import. So if I just remove that at the moment, import. If we want to import everything, I just have to components.js. And then I want to essentially copy this, get rid of this. The first time, oh, fair enough. Well, fingers crossed it works. Alright, I don't need create app. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if it runs. npm run, let's go prod. I don't know why I'm holding my breath. This takes 15 seconds. Okay, it ran. Ran. We don't have anything complaining. Go down here. Let's see the dashboard just hopefully loads. No. Alright. Dashboard, my objects is not defined. Alright, so. Sort of case, that's probably going to drive me nuts. Did you import it? Yeah, I was hoping that just the import the whole file would actually do it, but no, it didn't. So, I've just been very explicit with what I am importing now. Alright, let's hope for the best. There you go. Okay, cool. That worked a treat. So now what I can actually do is put in all the components into there, and I can probably just use that file and reference that file to import any other components. So yeah, all right. So dashboard is working. Let's start from the top going down. So new customer. Oh, that actually does want me to tab it up. All right, that's fine. So this will be new customer, which will be under the components, customer. New customer equals define async component. Import components. Import star as components, and then uses this new components decided. Okay, cool. Let's do that. Let's. Doesn't like the star. Yeah, all right. Undo. That's fine. All right. All right. We want customers and then new, oops, new customer. here we want new customer. And then down here we want new customer. Why is that component keyed in wrong? There we go. Oh, this is all... Yeah. Alright. Fair enough, yeah. It doesn't matter if I'm being explicit. So, I'm not importing everything here. Yeah. Okay. So we've just done new customer. Should refresh. Right. Console. Container. App. Alright. Let's figure this out. Also, I forgot to compile. No, there will be, they're all separate. So, they're all kind of separate. Okay, that's still working for there. Those customers won't work. Process is not defined. Downloading what looks like to be the new customers, the 599. There's the magic webpack string that you could use to name those import files. Oh. I've drawn a blank what this is called. Webpack. Import. Code splitting. That's what I wanted. Okay. Entry points, manually split code, entry configuration, used to do. Yep. File and then name and then .bundle. Okay. Let's truck name or something. Okay, let's. Alright. Okay, Webpack options, chain Webpack, Fig, plugin, delete, optimization, split chunks, chunk source, cache groups, chunks, all. Alright, that doesn't help. I'm getting confused with that. There, the comment had it, Webpack check. Okay, okay, cool. Awesome. Thank you, that noob. Let's actually look this up. Okay, import my module, other modules. Locals, language, what? Okay, I am going to read that later. I'm just moving that over there. Just because at the moment I don't want to screw up everything. Okay, let's see why my thing is not working. Let's do a hard refresh. Okay. Oh, copy the my chunk name example and that's it. Sorry, I just didn't see your... which example, like... Like in there. Has to be inside the import function. Okay, good. Alright. Oh. That's not the import function. Alright. Let's try that. No. Function, not the import itself. Okay. Like under the... Oh. Inside the components for each import. Check code example, okay. So it's got an import, it's got all this. Inline comments to make features work. By adding comments to the import, we can do such things as shotgun to div, fill a full list of magic comments. Okay. Import. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. Sorry, that noob. All right. So we've got that. Import. In the components file, each import before your string. All right. Components file before my string. So I am assuming it's going to be either in place A or place B. So I'm just going to go and hope for the best. Whilst I'm doing that, I'll open up the static files. Place C before... Oh! Oh my god, it's right there. Okay, no, okay, now I get you. Sorry. Yeah, I was a bit confused, being like, but where's my... So yeah, okay, cool. That should work. Sweet. So, thank you very much, that noob, for being patient with me. I'll rename these in a minute. Might as well. I know, it's... I'm so used to... Okay, I've moved to Teams. I'm so used to Slack because you can draw on people's computers in Slack, which makes it really easy to be like, okay, you just need this here, or you need this here, and stuff like that. I miss... that functionality needs to be in other places too. Alright, Webpack chuck name. This will be dashboard my objects. Dashboard RFC approvals. Dashboard unassigned objects. Dashboard users with no groups. Alright. Now I'm trying to remember if I actually have the delete functionality in here that actually deletes most of this data. I don't think I do at the moment. Alright. Let's minimize this, open it back up. Dashboard my objects and so forth. Awesome. Okay. Gonna hit refresh. Still not working, but we've got the new customers min.js, which is great news. So it is downloading that. It just can't find module. Okay. If I remember, I think I need to create a ticket on your repo for a slightly better way of using VueJS templates and Python for data only. It'll save reinstallation for your Vue app on each dev page navigation. Yeah, just yeah. I'm all ears for all the help people can get. Give me. So yeah, definitely. Okay. Now, here. I'm just gonna try one thing first. Actually, no, I want that there. I want to actually. So. Import new customer from components, customers, new customer.vue. Remind me the next time at 2 AM in the morning. Sometimes I can't remember it again. Oh, fair enough. All right, let's keep this running. Man, this Webpack takes a while. Okay, let's hit reload. Process is not defined. All right. Find out what's going wrong. Sweetie. Oh, are you leaving me now? Oh, you're hungry. Okay. Okay, so in here I've got it, new customers. From there. So that's how I'm importing it. Just double checking that. It's exactly the same. Oh, wait a minute. Is there something on new customers that is no longer working? Yeah, they've got a vSelect. And they've got a new customer form. Okay, not a problem. What I'm going to do is from here all the way down. Oh, don't want that. From here, so it would be all the way to here. I'm just going to comment it out for the moment. And it might be the case that we're missing the V import. And considering V import is used in quite a lot of places, I'm going to have it high up. And then I need to actually include the new customer form, which we will do in here. All right. Okay, reference process is not defined. Okay. And what I'm also going to do is get rid of that. Put that back in. Actually going to keep this as npm run watch because it is taking quite a while to load up. So NearBeach at the moment is 407 kilobytes. I'm hoping to get that down even further. Okay. Okay, it's running. And that took a while to actually run. So with params, it's a weird error. Weird piece of code. So web require with params. All right, let's. Message. Let's go to network. We've got no. Oh, I think. Is it trying to access the. Okay. Where's my view tools? I should have dev mode on. Okay, just wait. Give me a couple of minutes. I think I know what's happening. It might be trying to get the view stuff. The Vuex type of stuff, and I haven't set that up yet. So I should be setting that up first. Alright, package. Alright, that's fine. It should be popping up. Okay. I think I know why. Let's have a look. Go into dist. We'll probably want the that's the one I think I'm using. MS browser. MS bundler. So I'm using that one. Alright. And hello! Enelius Tidson. How are you tonight? I hope you're going well. Alright, cool. Hopefully that will give me my dev tools back. Nope. Okay. Yeah, I can't complain. I'm just fixing up. So I've upgraded both Webpack and VueJS on NearBeach, and I'm just going through the general fixes when you do such a major update. Alright, we don't want global because we want the ESM. We might want the runtime.esm browser.js. And hello, Solburn! How are you this evening? Thank you very much for the raid. So, what were you doing tonight? I'm just gonna copy your name, because I know I'm gonna type it in wrong. Alright. Everyone needs that. And hi, how are you, Hi King Cobra? I hope you're going well. Learning some Rust? Oh, nice. One of these days I'll learn it. One of these days. Alright, so I'm hoping that will work. Okay, great. Do I have VueJS is not detected still? And thank you for the follow, binary exclamation mark, and welcome. I do hope you have a wonderful time here. I am just figuring out why this is not working. Alright. No. Okay, Webpack. VueJS not detected. Alright, solution in the docs. Okay. What's Vue 3 for now? Vuex and router integrations also. Okay, cool. Such a long time ago. That was like how many days? 8 now? 7 or 8? Alright. Vue beta fixed. So it looks like I have to. Damn. Alright, continue to install, add, alright, extensions. No, I want to add that in my toolbar. I keep forgetting how this is run, how this is done nowadays. Oh, it's a HTML validator. No. I want that one. So if I turn off that one, I should still see, there it is. Alright, cool. So if I go to NearBeach here, okay, and then I do a reload. Where is it? Open DevTools and look for the view panel. It ain't there. I must have to close that and then reopen it. There it is. Okay. So, let's try and fix the Vuex now. Sorry about this, everyone. I'm just, struggling, as we all do. Close other tabs. Okay, I can get rid of that now. It turns out that it's just a simple extension issue. Reload that. All right, cool. So that is working how we want it to. We don't have VueJS on here, do we? No, they said they don't have it yet. Which is a pity, because that is a massive thing which I need. Let's wait. Is there a later version? Beta 21. What did I have? Beta 20. Oh yeah, screw it. Let's. Once this and the next refactor is done, it'll be very fast to load. Yes, yeah, I'm hoping so. Alright, dev Firefox zip, there it is. Continue. Okay. Add on and themes. There should be just one, yep. Okay, cool. So close this, do a simple simple reload, and then click on the view. Okay. And then we click on the wrong tab. Wrong button. Find components. Alright, it's not showing any components. That should be showing these two. There we go. Sweet. Okay. Let's fix up the VueJS. So first off, let's not comment out those. Oops, sorry. I've been trying to recently learn JavaScript DOM, but it's so hard to find resources. Do you have any books or tutorials that can help with me? Yes, there is a thing called Free Code Camp, which is what I recommend. There are several other tutorials out there, but this one's free. You just get started. Essentially, you log in with your GitHub account, and you can start learning JavaScript algorithms and so forth like that, which is this one right here, algorithms and data structure. And then once you've done that, you can be like, okay, I want to learn data visualization certificate, which is about D3 and so forth like that. So you can start learning how to build pretty graphs. You can do also front-end development certificate, which I do believe this is a React. So yeah, I haven't actually played around with it, so I'm assuming it is React. What do they say it is? React? Yeah. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Anyway, let's So originally, everything used to be in just one file. I'm going to close all these tabs. That felt good. So originally everything used to be in here and stuff like that, which is not ideal. So what I kind of want to do is build this up. So I'm going to copy all the VueJS stuff. So that should be all of this. I am going to create a file. I'm going to minimize that and maximize it in 2 seconds. And I'm going to call it... Oh, that's okay. Happy to help. I'm going to call it vuex.js. Oh, that might not work. Okay, I'm trying to... vuex store.js. And then export the store. Right? Any commented out code I no longer need. So I'm deleting that. A lot of this is tried and tested code from prior upgrading. So, oops, promo code, I do believe that needs to be loose. That's why it has 2 equal signs instead of 3. Oh, that's a bug. That's a bug. That, I do believe, has to belong on the other page. So we want to import that up here. Let's do that. Cut that and put that in here. We need to... And then we get rid of that. Actually, just wait. I'm going to reference my old code. Import UX from that. Alright. I'm going to undo what I just did. I'm going to paste that into here. I'm going to undo that up here, just in case. We'll figure it out in a minute. We also might need to have the word use. No, that won't work in here. That won't work. Module is not installed. I'm going to cast doubt on that. It is. Okay. Export const. Yep. So what I want to do is I want to import, and this will be store. Yep. Store from, and then we want the vuex store, like so. This component is going to be used down here. We've got the store like that. Everything should run. Ooh, suspense is an experimental feature. All right. Shoot. You know what that means. I'm gonna have to get rid of it for the moment. Okay, so the reason why I'm getting rid of it is I've had issues in the past using experimental features which have changed quite a bit, and it's just started breaking stuff. It's just me being me. Alright, cool. To do fail to resolve component render object table. Is this a... All right, let's. Render object table is actually, yeah, it's a common feature for the dashboards and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to import those. So yeah, let's actually fix that up. Okay. So under components, dashboards, what we want to do is dashboard bug list isn't currently used. Dashboard Kanban board list is currently not used. So we'll start with my objects. And what we want to do is import the components. So now I want to import this straight away. I don't want it to be delayed, I don't think. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna import. So I'm just having a little think in my head. Did I want to actually import this now into this feature, or did I want to delay it? I'll probably actually want it delayed. So import, in this sort of case, what will it be called? Render object table. So render object table from, and then that will be and then that will also be called components.js. And then in here, we'll have the props, we'll have components. Well, that's a bit weird. And that will be an object, in which case we call in the render table object. Now, this is going to cause an issue at the moment because that doesn't really exist. This does not exist in there. So, what we do is we go into the components, and I'm alphabetizing everything in here. Render object table. This will equal a defined. And then we import it. And then we do this fancy thing, which that noob just taught us. Thank you, that noob. Oh, what did I do? All right. Oh wait, that is tabbed in. And then we go components. Now where is this one called? Render, and then render object table dot view. Don't need that at the end. Okay. Now we should not see that particular error. Oh, no, we still see that particular error. Failed to resolve component render to object table. Oh, because I haven't put it in the other objects yet. So I only put it in one. So what I'm actually going to do just do this very quickly. Oh, pasted the wrong thing in. Render object table. I don't know why this one stepped up with 2, but that's perfectly fine. All right. This should now just reload. Loader is undefined. That's coming from the Runtime Core ESE bundle. Alright. View Options API. Feature flags, View Options API, View Option Tests are not explicitly defined. You're running in build, which means these compile time feature flags to be globally injected via bundler config to get in order to get better tree shaking. Alright, cool. That is something I will read later. At compile time. Alright, I'm going to have to do that a bit later. Alright, cool. Getting back into this. Where am I? I don't know. So something didn't work. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the components here. I don't know if that compiled right. No, I ran out of water. Okay. Alright. Unhandled error during execution of schedule flushes like with a view. Okay, a view internals bug. Please open issue at probably doesn't like that. Alright. Tell you what, I'm going to revert back what I've done. Let's find out if that is dashboard my current object. So let's keep it at 1 because that was working before. Alright, failed to resolve component, render, yep, okay, cool, render, yep. It might be because got multiple components, actually, I'll tell you what. Let's see, import doesn't need that. Render object table. Not view. Alright, I'm just checking something out. Okay. Where's my components? JS. Let's just get rid of that for the moment. It might not like me trying to do the async at multiple different levels, which is fine. And the fact that I'm using the same async for the dashboards. So, yeah, I might have to actually just do this. I have to reformat this file. happened here? Alright. There we go. Okay, and if we check our network, we've got dashboards, RFC approvals, which yes, should be coming through. My objects, which should be coming through, yes. Dashboard unassigned objects, yes. Vendors, node, module, Luxon, build. What? I don't know what that is exactly. Hopefully it disappears when I move everything to production. So what I will do right now is I'm going to render it, compile, sorry, under prod. Just compiling. All right. Let's hit reload. Yeah, it just disappeared. That must have been part of the dev side of things. And we're getting it down to 1 megabyte transferred. All right. So that is good. Let's try and keep it that low. I will try and find what I can also cull out. I might do a bit of tree shaking and stuff like that to really cull out stuff, like with Bootstrap. If I scroll up to this, if I actually just comment that out, let's do another prod build. And do I need that information there? Interrupt that prod build, let's rebuild it again. Alright, cool. That is all built. Let's hit refresh. We've got 2 files which are not named. That's fine. I'm not worried. Still 1 megabyte transferred. Okay. But looks like I don't need to input that Bootstrap anyway. Alright. One of the major things that I can get rid of is the tiny mouse. So what I'm planning on doing is stuff like the dashboard. I won't need it. I got to figure a way to actually compile that properly in the code and stuff like that. And I don't know why I'm opening up Atom. I should really move that over there very quickly, just because the last time I accidentally did that, I leaked some of my sensitive data. So yeah. Okay, so that will cull quite a bit off. So yeah, I just need to find that. Yeah, a way to really compile that into a single file and only have that file appear under certain conditions. So, yeah. The loader is still 4.35, which is fine. Get unassigned objects, yep. Okay, cool. Awesome. Okay. Now we just need to fix new customer. So reference process is not defined. Okay, so let's close tab to the right. That's customers, new customer. Okay, let's look this up. VueJS. Your package.js file to point the main dist. Use the run build and browsers files. Tell you what, I am going to try another one. Let's instead of new customers, let's save that. Let's try new organizations. This one should be very simple. Checking to see if there's any extra components that we need to call in. List organizations. And list organizations is a common component. So let's bring that in, components. Let's import list organizations. All right, like so. We just go components. So now let's open up our components.js. So this will be new organizations. So new organization equals the defined this, and then we just do this, and then import. All right, so organizations, and then new organization.view. Make sure we have the .view. All right. I really should have done watch here. So, yeah. Just doing the good old... Oh, okay. Something broke. You may need an appropriate loader to handle this file type. Unexpected token. All right, cool. All right, so it didn't fail to resolve component new organization. All right, no, not a problem, not a problem. So we go here, I should, like so. Oop. Oh, no, that's an old comment. Yeah, okay. Still getting that. Did you order food? Oh, how long? Oh.
Anyway, from now to another 20 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking, did you order it or did you fall back to sleep? Yeah, just like, I gotta.
Both up.
Alright, okay. Oh. I think I know why now. Because I got, VueJS. Alright. I think I know what the problem is. The problem is I'm not reading the... And I don't have light. The problem is I'm not reading the proper error. So let's go to our package.json. Let's see if I've got... I do have it installed. Now, VueJS is used in a lot of other places. So what I actually want to do, let's go back to my old code. So I just import it like this. And then I use it as a component. Hey, Socks! You're back again. Causing trouble. She's like, yes. So, I'm going to get rid of Bootstrap. And hey, Owen, how are you? If you want to give her treats, there is the treats option. Reward. That's why she's really here. She's like, treats? That's where I put the Mr. Sheen. No, it's on my desk. I've been looking for that for weeks. Sounds like my dog. Oh, yeah. She does love her treats. So this is back when I had Toby tripod. Actually, no, back when I had Eve, I used to always shake the food and she would come running. But with Toby tripod, he was like, grades. So I got treats and he got addicted to treats. So I would shake the treats and he would come. And then from that, I taught Socks and other animals that whenever I shake the treats, they're getting a treat. So they come inside. So VueJS would belong here. Right, cool. Page up. Okay, alright. So what else am I missing? Okay. Promise call back source. I will zoom in so everyone can read this.
I bought them 3.
So what?
I bought 3.
Bought more treats. Oh, you have 2. Alright. Okay. We'll get back to that. Put on cat cam. This also gives me the ability to run off to the bathroom. So, alright. There's that. Alright, okay. This is it. She knows what's happening. Yes, you do know what's happening. Alright. Cool. And we'll put the little figurine, clay figurine, in just a little bit more. There we go. Up. Yes. That's you and the little clay figurine. Alright. No, in your bed. No, don't come over here. In your bed. Come on. Come on. There it goes, sweetie. Alright. Tell you what, there you go. Okay. I'll be off to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Did you just give them more treats? Oh, okay. Alright. Sucks. Ah.
No.
Oh, okay. And I'll do this thing. Alright. Cool. So, reference error, process is not defined. Let's open up this. Let's just do a refresh. Webpack require. Run, mount, patch, learn more. Something is not defined. Okay, let's have a look at new organization. I'm going to bring this over here. Close this. And close this. Okay, so. Validate is okay. I might have to break this down. Okay. Actually, let's do that. Let's delete all that. Hit save. Okay, we've got different errors now. That's perfectly fine. Just deleting the vast majority of this. For a reason, I'm going back to the bare basics, and then I'm gonna bring it all forward again. Okay. So a lot of this won't work. That's perfectly fine. So what I want to do is I'll actually put my face back on for starters. All right. Let's get rid of this. Starters. All right, let's save. Okay, so there's something, and then I want to bring back this code. something broken in here. And I think it's still the VueX. No, there's no VueX here. Alright. This is when I start deleting stuff again. Okay, there is something. Okay, something in here. So that's a normal prop. That should work perfectly fine. The mix-ins might not work. Data should work perfectly fine. These should work perfectly fine. So I'm also going to comment out these and this. All right. It's just commenting out most of the system. $V is undefined. All right. Okay, just deleting stuff. That's all I can really do at the moment. I'm not worried too much because I can always check this file back to its original state. This is me just finding out what the problem is and then fixing that problem. Alright. So, we've deleted all of that. I have a feeling it might be this. Yep, okay, so it is that. So what happens if I import this component directly? Okay, so instead of having it asynced in, it's not asynced in though. Well, doesn't it work with? Okay, just wait. VueJS, VueValidate, and then Vue3. There might be a few things different. So what we're doing is we're just zooming in. We know the basic sort of stuff. Editor, core. We're just making sure that we have this installed correctly. And then we have that as dependencies. So save as dependencies. All right. I'm going to get rid of this. All right. Basic styling. Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right. That's a good form. All right. Yep. That's a basic form. Yep, basic form. So it's slightly different nowadays. Okay. Oh, this is going to be a big change. Sorry, I'm just... Alright. Validate for view 3. Core validators. Sorry, just zooming in. Okay. You can. All right, cool. So essentially, what we want to do is we want to import it. VueJS is used on a lot of pages, so it's probably going to be at like the top level as a component. And then validations, return, required. Oh, okay, yep, that's pretty much almost the same. So if I go to new organizations, validate doesn't need to be there. So we've got our validations. That has an object, however. This is, oh, it's a function now. And then set up, return, $3 as that. Yep, okay, cool, that's easy to do. We've got all that. Yep, that's perfectly fine. So it's an object with, okay, so we're just changing that. Why are you knocking off my glasses? I need those. Okay, so that is going to be a bit of a massive change. Alright. Trying to think what pages I can set up which I don't need validation at the moment, because I'm probably going to have to actually sit down and actually play around with it, see how it's going to be done before I want to do that on stream. Because that will be all of these. And there's my food. Ooh, so, oh. Yes. Okay, one error. Alright, do a git status. Git checkout. We're gonna check out our NearBeach templates, organization. Actually, no, this is part of the view. So this will be checkout source, component, JavaScript, components, organizations, and then new organization, top view. So that will change this file back to how we had it before. Perfectly fine. And what we're going to do, I'm going to leave these in here. There's no reason why we should pull these out, but what we're going to do is find out why SAS error, can't find style sheet to import. see. Looks weird. Alright, node modules, SAS start. No. Alright, can't find style sheet to import. Okay, there's something wrong. Yeah, no, she's up there. Yeah. Alright, error in source SAS main. Oi, I'm gonna eat. Oh, I know why. Okay, because I'm not importing them at the app.js level. Alright. Let's just undo what I did before. That should fix that issue. No, I can eat from the container. Still not. Bootstrap. I should have Bootstrap. Sorry, what? Let's go chopsticks. I'm just gonna... Yeah.
People don't have to watch it.
I know. Alright. Just making sure that looks nice. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay. Can't find the style sheet to import. View select. Okay. All right. Found the issue. View select. All right. Yep. Okay. Yep. Don't know why we're now having this issue. I am going to have to actually comment these out. Because I'm going to have to fix that. Okay, that's just compiled. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfection. All right. Main CSS. Let's uncomment that out. Starters. There we go. All right, got past that. I think just the list alls at the moment have no validation in them. So let's start putting them in. And then I'm going to have to deal with the validation for all of these components, which will take time, but can be done. So let's start with the components. And let's go search. Good. All right. Import. This will be components, search, will be search objects. So I've just got to change all these. And we got in here. Let's try it. There we go. Dollar store is undefined. All right. Not too much of a problem. Let's look up how they define it and do that properly. All right. So they do things a little bit differently. installation. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's what we want. All right. Jumping back into this. We've got create store. All right, let's go back into the app. Actually, this will be part of the VueJS thing. So that won't be there. It'll be part of the VueJS store. And each one of these are a different thing. All right. Oop. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it in here. I am going to ignore this for the moment. Most of this, these are just objects which we import into the store. So this will be changed. So this will be just create store now. Should be this up here. All right. Did that compile? So that's the store. There's app use store. Now, we've got a store function here. So I'm hoping that that would work. So let's go down here. Okay. Just .store is undefined. Sorry, I'm eating at the same time, guys. I'm hungry. Well, I could always just go app.use store. Know how they had it. App use store. Like so. That will work perfectly fine. just making sure that this compiles. Why isn't it exiting? Did you manage to talk to that optional guy yet? Oh, no, I haven't. Sorry, Owen, I've just been a bit busy. So, hopefully soon. I'll start following him and stuff. But yeah, thank you, by the way. Yes, good morning. I have changed. I'm currently eating, so, yeah, hopefully no one sees my face. Well, this is a bit weird. I'm having a terminal issue. Yeah, I can't see my bottom of my lines. Alright, I am going to... Okay, what did I want? npm run watch. Yeah, no, that was really weird. You guys probably didn't see it, but essentially I couldn't see my last line in the terminal, so I didn't know what I was typing. So you may add at 12 hours of sleep. You can do what you're doing with my full stack project robo. Let's hop with voice chat sometime. Yeah. Yeah, we'll hop in. Well, I'll be on, what am I doing this Sunday? I'll most likely be on Arc on Sunday. Alright. My brain's decided to check out at the moment. Okay, this is working. It's no longer complaining about the store functionality, so that works perfectly fine. I will just get rid of that then. Crypto is dropping so much. I haven't seen it. What about like a co-work? Yeah, we could easily do a co-working thing. I have not looked at crypto in a while. Bitcoin price. Oof. Actually. Damn. Wow, okay. Keeps going up and down. By a lot, too. Fair enough. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I just pulled my cord and my microphone across the table. I put in $100 worth of for the Shibu coin, and it's now worth $45. Yeah. So yeah, but hey, I was willing to lose that money if worst comes to what if worst came to fruition. Okay, cool. So, preload link with preload was not used within a few seconds. Make sure all attributes of the preload tags are set correctly. Alright, cool. So there's a couple of things which I got to fix up here, but that's perfectly fine. We can actually start getting the search functionality up and running. So I'm going to open up the search, and I am going to go to the view storage, and we're going to no, wrong storage. We're going to go to the components and start putting them in. So I am just going to cheat. I'm going to copy, paste, list, search, results. List, search, results. Alright, And that should be search. Cool. All right, search customers. So that will be here. This should be very quick to actually deploy. Oh, I've got a search customers, like so. Search groups. Bang, and then search groups. Objects were done. Organizations, we need to bang in here. Like so. And permission sets. Just wanting to set up my new workstation. Oh, fair enough. This year I might upgrade, so, which is the big thing. I haven't actually. I built this computer just before The Witcher 3 came out. It's been a really good computer, but yeah, it's time. Just got to save up money. It'll probably be at the end of the year. And thank you for the follow, Hanky Copes. How are you this evening? I hope you're enjoying this content. Alright, let's refresh this. Okay. None of the other components are rendering yet, but that might be because... request for change. List search results. List search results. We should be having that come through. There might not be any search results. No, there definitely are search results because they're appearing up here. You could stream and make it texted. Well, I do work on this computer, so it does. This computer particularly is a work computer. I have to talk to my accountant how to do it all. Oh, I haven't. I'll tell you what I haven't done. I haven't put these in here. All right, so we have list search results, and I realize I'm keying it in the wrong area, but that's perfectly fine. We don't want these. They'll be fun there. So list search results, search customers, search groups, search objects is there, search organizations, search permission sets, search tags, and search users. Alright, cool. So what we want to do is we'll just copy all this. Yep, copy all this. And essentially replace this. Yeah, anything to get a small tax bill. But I understand tax. I'm not going to fight it too much. Alright. Did that compile in time? Envelop prop type. Check for prop. Search results. Expected array. Got an object. Oh. So I've got a few errors, which is probably causing this not to appear. Alright, let's have a look. List search results, object, object. Yeah, that's a bit weird. Alright. Probably going to be calling it soon, but let's see if we can fix this error within like 10 minutes. Okay, templates, NearBeach, and then search. Search input. That should be a search results. Alright, let's put this over here. That really should be a JSON response. Okay, let's alright. Okay. So that's keying out the wrong thing. And then we've got the data local search results request for change is undefined. Alright. I think my brain just switched off. Let's find someone to raid. Let's raid this person. Yeah, we raided them last week. Alright, I'll start the raid. And we'll find them on here. But yeah, I'm not going to put the face cam on just because I probably got food in my beard and stuff like that. I'm still eating. But yeah, thank you everyone for coming. It has been a good stream. We got stuff done, which is great. I'm just going to put her on mute at the moment. So yeah. Though I'm planning to make a Minecraft hosting company, which I'll need an LLC, stream LLC, raid LLC. Fair enough. So, anyway, thank you very much everyone for coming along. Hopefully I'll fix up a few things on the weekend and hopefully we'll continue with the development because I've got some massive plans which I want to do for NearBeach. So yeah, Eric, have fun.
Maybe I'm fetching the plan 3 times.